Hey guys, Mongo here. Quick update on Bitcoin, the overall crypto market. We did get a nice pullback, but we're still range bound. We're within a range. I'm still very bullish overall. I think you can see we're holding this blue line really hard, which is the old all-time high from 2021. So the previous all-time high. Kind of have a we have a massive bull flag, which I've shown on other charts before. So let's zoom in for you for a second. I don't personally see us going much lower than like 67. I mean, technically, it's still really bullish anything over 65, but let me just show you what I'm talking about. Zoom into the 2 hour. So you got my indicator saying we got a strong bounce off of this. Capitulation candle here in the 2 hour. I'm hesitant to put in a long yet. I want to see another retest for a double bottom would be nice. But even as you can see here, we don't always get that. You just get a back test and move higher. So it's almost like it's a fractal pattern of this one. This does look like a distribution pattern, but keep in mind it's also very internal. So we could just ping pong around with inside of here. So altcoins are getting ready to rock. I mean, there's a lot of almost every single altcoin that I pay attention to, from AVAX to even the smaller stuff, has recovered really well, even way more so than Bitcoin on this bounce. So altcoins are about to rock. It's just a matter of when, especially if Bitcoin breaks out to new all-time highs. Altcoin season is going to be in full-blown effect. So 1 hour. Yeah, you're just range bound. So I like to do in something like this, if you're unsure, is just play the range, right? So let's just pull another fixed value area range, go from here to here, and just play within that. So now we're back within that range. And as you know, if you've been following me for a while, anytime you're back within a range, you're usually gonna run to the top of that range. So it's likely. I need to pay attention here a little bit closer on smaller time frames, get an idea of what we're doing. Struggling. So really we want to hold and maintain. So really the next hour when New York opens will be the determining factor. If we get a rejection here or we come back down for a double bottom, it depends on the time frame and where you pull it. I mean, you've got a lot of liquidity down here. So I'm really thinking a good long opportunity is sitting at 63, basically 350, just below these wicks. There's a lot of liquidity to grab down here. We haven't grabbed yet. So we did come down and we internally SFP'd, which we did this one. So we did grab this liquidity under here, but we didn't grab this one or this one. So it's possible we come back down for a quick wick and then bounce. That's what I'm looking for. And then in the short term, not much to talk about. Overall, everything looks really, really bullish on the macro structure. Again, you're battling this blue line here. This little blue line I have, let me make it solid. If I can. No, I didn't draw it over. My bad. Basically, we're right in the same. I didn't even put it on here. So it's right in the same region of the old all-time high. We're literally sitting on top of the 2021 all-time high. So if we can hold this range, really, really bullish, super bullish, ranging structure before we pop. So it's about it, guys. Pay attention. Pay attention to New York Open. I'll try to do some posts over on the Discord as well as over on Twitter and X, and I will talk to you guys soon. Nothing I say is financial advice. Best of luck. You want to find me, head over to Crypto Blackwall on Twitter. Thanks.